Welcome to McGee School Open House Program, and thank you for your role in helping us get the school year off to a smooth start. We're happy you'll be joining us for the event, which is designed to provide you with an opportunity to meet the adults who are dedicated to supporting the academic and social and emotional growth of your children. During the program, you'll learn about course requirements, teacher beliefs, school-wide values, available support, and ways that families can help foster a positive school experience. It's my pleasure to introduce Assistant Principal Tim Cheverini. Mr. Cheverini?
Thank you, Mr. Urso. At McGee, our faculty serves approximately 592 students on 6 academic teams. We are proud to offer every student a range of core and exploratory courses, including Quest, STEAM, and exciting offerings in digital research and media literacy. Also, access to a personal Chromebook and an opportunity to make music, play sports, read daily, get organized, or receive support during directed study periods each week. Please welcome McGee's Dean of Students, Mrs. Abby Frobe.
Thank you, Mr. Cheverini. I'm looking forward to supporting the students as a member of the supervising team. We're excited to begin the year and encourage our students to get involved in co-curricular opportunities. Please remind your students to listen to announcements for after-school interscholastic sports, student committees like Student Council, or clubs like gaming, yearbook, student newspaper, and math counts. The Talent Show and Drama Club are also outlets for fun, engagement, and opportunities for new friendships. To support clear communication, we urge you to use the PowerSchool Parent Portal to monitor your students' progress and contact their teacher should there be any questions. Our caring and talented staff will be happy to help. If you need any help navigating your way through the building, please ask a staff member or use the attached map. Please remember to follow the Day 6 schedule. Mr. Urso?
We hope you find the program informative and look forward to your partnership and a successful school year. Enjoy the evening.